This project started with a design build to add 2 new tower crane structures, 2 mooring dolphins, and 3 standoff fenders so that General Dynamics could use their facility to dock and service additional Navy ships.
In Portsmouth, tight quarters and tall orders force a build-your-own approach.
It required 350 feet plus under the hook to finish the erection of the tower cranes, but to do it with a floating rig was kind of out of the question with such static loads.
Assembly of tower cranes 7 and 8 exposes equipment and crews to wind and chop on the Elizabeth River. Here, barge-mounted cranes would lack stability for the lifts, and existing infrastructure couldn't bear the weight of construction.
So we built 2 temporary platforms next to the tower crane foundation. It consists of 36-inch, 150-foot long pipe piles with cross-member frames and trestle platform.
We needed to be able to sustain somewhere close to 900,000 pounds of weight on those platforms.
Teams fit bracing onto driven pile.
Get everybody out of the way, and then I'll just kind of drop it so she'll slide on down.
These form the foundations for a temporary Omega trestle.
After we're happy with the grades and the pile jackets are pinned, then the Omega beams that are connected together with diaphragm beams will go on top of those 8 piles.
The trestle creates terra firma for a crawler.
We'll be erecting a Manawalk MLC 300 in order to put these tower cranes up.
The MLC 300 will finish assembly of TC 7 and 8, a crane perched in a nest. Its migration begins from the Crofton yard, a quarter-mile away as the crow flies.
Woo.
The Samson, a 350-ton floating derrick, provides the lift.
2 foot enclosing to the tube, 1 foot enclosing, just clearing the 2. Nice work, fellas. Bring it straight in.
Construction period was approximately a year. The nice thing about it, it's been a turnkey thing from design to permitting to construction and now helping them erect the tower cranes.
You guys happy?
Yep, coming up easy.
Grady, Keister, I want you 2 guys on taglines. I want y'all being loud and proud.
The rig flies, and it's all eyes on. The Samson pushes past boom segments floating in the harbor, about a mile-long journey as the crane flies.
We're going to be coming around the General Dynamics point. We're going to wind up dropping an anchor. The anchor's going to act as a little bit of a pivot point. We'll start swinging the rig around and sliding sideways. Captain Tony's going to be working with Captain Dan to support that sideways slide. If all goes well, the bunny will simply be doing adjustments as is required.
The MLC lands, and its build-out begins. Counterweights, rigging, and boom assembly barge in and create a floating laydown yard next to the pier.
Some of our constraints are the footprint of the site that we're at, and of course the tides and the southwest winds yesterday. It's blowing it out on top of the harvest moon, drawing it out. So we had extreme low tide yesterday.
Stacking the mats so that we can set it down there and be able to cut your crane loose in order to put the top in.
Crews build 177 feet of main boom and 197 of luffing jib.
Hey, what, make it easy on me. Boom up. Keep booming up.
This is a little bit different being on a trestle and having to build them on barges.
I'm going to work it up so that boom stops right here at the back, and then I'll boom him down and get you in the rest of the way. Cable down for me.
A lot depends on the tide and the wind and the assembly of the barges.
Teams pin segments, run cable, rolling with the tides all the while.
We have more control when we're on land, especially when we roll the luff up. That luff's got to stay on that barge.
This is a one-off situation. We've done a lot of engineering to put these platforms together in order to put that much boom in a crane of that capacity and lift the amount of weight that we have to erect the cranes.
The boom rises, providing the project with the height, reach, and stability to complete TC7.
Now we can erect the tower cranes, which is kind of like putting the cherry on top of this whole thing.
From the cherry on top to work below the waterline, Crofton provides solutions for clients in their mission-critical operations.
TC7, TC8, they're going to be their bread and butter for being able to accommodate all of the overhauls and phase maintenance that these warships need.
The construction department, the crane and rigging department, the dive department, the whole Crofton team has come together to pull this off.
Great project to work on, a little challenging, but you know, that's what we're about.
And we are proud to be here to provide these services 24/7.